Welcome to my YouTube channel Mehdi QA series. Let's start. Guess the word by emoji. नीचे दी गई इमोजी को देखें और लफ्ज़ बनाएं. Please like and subscribe. Answer is monkey. Guess the word. Answer is sunflower. Guess the word. Answer is football. Answer is butterfly. Answer is keypad. Guess the word. Answer is moonlight. Answer is bathroom. Guess the word. Answer is sunglasses. Please guess. Answer is Facebook. Guess the word. Please like and subscribe. Answer is YouTube. Guess the word. Answer is T-shirt. Guess the word. Answer is cowboy. Guess the word. Very easy. Answer is 5-star. Please guess. Answer is country. Guess the word. Answer is handball. Answer is lady finger. Please like and subscribe. Answer is rainbow. Guess the word. Very easy. Answer is ice cream. Answer is goldfish. आंसर इज डंकी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।